Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of cryptocurrency arbitrage trading. Please like, comment and subscribe. Please look at the links below. Right, so looking at our fills, we got a decent feel for this future. So this is the September future and our average entry price is 13k. So setting a hidden order so high in the order book was a decent idea, and it would be best to offload it. My view is on Bitcoin to go up, at least slightly, so we would be best to offload this position. It's trading at a rather huge premium, and I'm not particularly keen to pay all this premium to close this position. However, as I have bought it with a massive premium, I should probably just suck it up. And yeah, this is not a position I'd like to hold. There could be some weird stuff happening on this contract. We are not yet big enough to kind of influence the price of this contract. So let's just close this position. This will be a nice, quick 1.7 BTC profit. The orders on Japanese yen, they haven't all filled yet. So how about we just set some take profits here? Yeah, so this is the hedge against our ETH future, quanto future position. So that's our Japanese yen. How about the Korean won? Have we got all our fields? It looks like we've got all of them. So let's look at the orders that we have, so we can get rid of these September futures because they are just clogging our list of orders. This is an order just in case ETH goes to $400 on this future, because that's quite an illiquid future. We could actually submit another one like this because our position is bigger than 300, so it's 460. So we can set another big position, so another big order. That will be at 600. Hidden sell. Now this one, I assume it's hidden because I cannot see it in the order book, which is good. Funny fact, the open interest on this contract is 500,000 contracts and 462,000 contracts are ours. Why is that? Because I have early identified that this contract is trading at a discount. We can confirm that by looking at the Ethereum future on the real mainnet, which trades at $12 premium. So the true value is $12 premium. Now what we need to ensure is that we get real life premiums on this. So obviously we are here just making some genuine orders, and the side effect of this is we slightly skew the funding on this contract, which will favor us a lot. So that's us done with this. So it's at a discount, the funding will be negative, but hopefully the BitMEX testnet gamblers will come back and they will sort this out, so they will buy some ETH. On this contract, someone is selling 3.3 million. That's quite a big position. Can we take advantage of that? It's not yet big enough, it's just $50 discount, and the funding isn't that big. But if the discount becomes bigger, we'll just 100x YOLO it, I think. but not at the moment. So we need to set some take profit for this position because we have no reason to hold it. So let's do something quite optimistic. So 12k. So at least we have some take profit, and let's make it hidden. Okie doke. So here we are. I might come back without recording a video and just help our position a little bit more. Oh, it's actually not too bad here. Post only. Okie doke. So fingers crossed for the funding here to return to some more normal values. And I'll come back with a further update. Okay, I cannot watch this funding on ETH USD swap eat away our bankroll. So we need to buy some ETH USD, and that will close part of our position, and we need to reopen somewhere else. Let's just first have a look where we are at with our previously submitted orders. So we have submitted some ETH BTC orders. So we were planning to short this. However, the price has moved away from us, which is not great. Our XBT fiat pairs have mostly filled. There is one XBT JPY, and Korean won is all finished. Let's just filter this by symbol. So yeah, we have a take profit on this, but this is a gambling position and this should be closed soon. XBT Japanese yen. Let's see, where is that order? Is it far away? It was touched but not filled by the looks of it. So yeah, let's maybe move it here. Fine, so that will be us finished with the previous positioning other than ETH XBT shorts. Now it might take a while for these to get filled, so how about we move them down a little bit. Yeah, this should be a bit better. This is us taking a tiny hit on this, but we are here to do arbitrage, not gambling, so we need these filled. Fine. So we are at a loss due to the funding here. So what do we do? This bot will give us a fill when the price goes down. That's what we have established before. So at the moment the market price is near the spot price, which is the index price. So we shouldn't be so deep into the negative territory. So the sells are at 210. The buys are at 200 and let's call this 7. So the average halfway between that is 28.5. So we need to push the price by around $1 per ETH. And to achieve that, let's look at these big orders. So we need to buy around 180,000 contracts by the looks of it. So let's do it. Let's start with 100, or maybe let's, well, fine. Let's start with 150,000 contracts. And that position is worth 31.5 Bitcoin. And I'm not sure how much ETH that is. It doesn't say what's the value of that in ETH. So we'll have to calculate that. Fine. So first of all, so we are buying ETH USD, so we're buying ETH here. So we'll have to sell ETH on the ETH XBT, and we'll have to sell Bitcoin against US dollar on one of these pairs, which have been our friends before because the funding here stays stable. So I like these contracts. Like it looks like nobody is using them on testnet. And by doing that, not only we are avoiding this massive, annoying negative funding, which is taking our money, but also we are gaining some convexity. So we have longed this convex contract, which has an optionality component, and we'll be shorting linear contracts. So that is always good. Okay, so let's get to it. 31.5 Bitcoin. Is there an area where there is a lot of liquidity? Difficult to tell. So this is 2 Bitcoin. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 16 Bitcoin. And we need to sell 14 and a half on the other one. Ooh, that's high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half will be like that. Okay, and now I'll just spread them. So by not executing against the market, we are taking a risk. If the price moves away from us, we'll be in deep trouble. But on the other hand, we are saving money on the taker fees, so we are a maker. We are making some money from volatility because we are expecting the price to move up and down. And overall, I'm expecting the price to move maybe at least a little bit up. However, the move up is probably being exhausted slowly. Fine. So that's our BTC component, and then 31 BTC to ETH. $1,478. This actually goes at a decent premium. And we are already hitting some risk limits on the other one, so how about we sell here at a premium? 1,478. And just 1,000 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is all pretty good. This premium is actually really, really good. I don't think on the real ETH XBT we have such a premium. I think it's a discount on the real market. Which one is it? Yeah, it's this one. So yeah, it's a tiny discount from the index price. So this contract is mispriced. So how about we cancel some of our orders on the swap. 200. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say we cancel 4 of these. 5. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Could actually spread them a little bit higher. I expect ETH to recover at least slightly. It's got quite a lot of beating, but there is no reason for it to get so much beating. Yeah, that should do. Okay, and the open interest is 71. Ooh. So the open interest is 3,000 ETH, and we are shorting half of that. We'll probably skew that funding. We'll monitor that funding if well, not funding, the premium. We'll see what happens, and if the premium drops significantly, we'll just switch back to the swap. I believe the swap will be more liquid. Open value 300 Bitcoin. Well, this is 71 Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm less convinced now, seeing how illiquid this thing is, but that's okay. Okie doke. So, do we have any other orders that we need to deal with in the on our orders? Not really. Korean one getting filled, very good. Ooh, our ETH. I hope the price doesn't depart from our ETH by. Okay. Fingers crossed. Okie doke. That is us. Thank you very much for watching. Please give me the thumbs up, look at the links below, comment and subscribe.